Welcome to Study Point. Here we are discussing some important questions of e-commerce. Our first question is, which factor determines who has the right to access different types of IT systems and information? Given options are A. Availability, B. Accessibility, C. Reliability, D. Scalability. So your correct answer is option B. Accessibility. Next question, which factor ensures your IT systems are functioning correctly and providing accurate information? Given options are A. Availability, B. Accessibility, C. Reliability, D. Scalability. Your correct answer is option C. Reliability. Next question, which factor represents how well your system can adapt to increased demands? The given options are A. Availability, B. Accessibility, C. Reliability, D. Scalability. The correct answer is option D. Scalability. Next question, which factor represents a system ability to sense quickly? Given options are A. Flexibility, B. Performance, C. Capacity planning, D. Benchmark. The correct answer is option A. Flexibility. Next question, what is a set of conditions used to measure how well a product or system functions? Given options are A. Flexibility, B. Performance, C. Capacity planning, D. Benchmark. The correct answer is option D. Benchmark. Our next question, what determines the future IT infrastructure requirements for new equipment and additional network capacity? Given options are A. Flexibility, B. Performance, C. Capacity planning, D. Benchmark. The right answer is option C. Capacity planning. Next question, what automates business processes? Given options are A. Workflow, B. ASP, C. Workflow system, D. EIP. The correct answer is option C. Workflow system. Next question, what defines all of the steps or business rules from beginning to end required for a process to run correctly? Here given options are A. Workflow, B. EIP, C. Workflow system, D. SLA. Your correct answer is option A. Workflow. Next question, what sends work assignment through an email system? Given options are A. Database Enterprise Information Portal, B. Messaging Based Enterprise Information Portal, C. Database Based Workflow System, D. Messaging Based Workflow System. The right answer is option D. Messaging Based Workflow System. Next question, which will not harm computer resources? Given options are A. Firewall, B. Virus, C. Trojan horse, D. None of the above. Your right answer is option A. Firewall.